In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate audio in WAV format in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. Whether you're using text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, speech-to-speech, or studio, the process is very simple once you know where to click. While WAV is a great format if you want high-quality audio for editing, production, or projects that need a clean, uncompressed file. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and open the workspace where you want to create your audio. You can generate audio using text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, or studio, depending on the type of content you want to make. If you're starting from written text, text-to-speech is usually the fastest option. If you want to transform existing speech into a different voice, use speech-to-speech. And if you need more control over your project, studio is the best choice. Once you've entered your text or selected your audio setup, go ahead and generate the audio as normal. ElevenLabs will process your request and create the audio file for you. Depending on the length of the script and the settings you choose, this may take just a few moments. When the audio is ready, you'll see it appear in your generated audio list. Now look for the download button next to the generated audio. This is where ElevenLabs gives you access to the file format options. Click the download button and a menu should appear with different file types available for export. From that list, select WAV. That tells ElevenLabs to download the audio in WAV format instead of another format like MP3. After you click WAV, the file should begin downloading to your device automatically. Once it's finished, you'll have a high-quality WAV audio file ready to use in your editing software, video project, podcast workflow, or anywhere else you need it. If you're working on professional audio, this format can be especially useful because it preserves more detail and is often easier to work with in post-production. And that's really all there is to it. Generate your audio in text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, or studio, wait for it to finish, click download, and then choose WAV from the export options. It's a fast process, but knowing exactly where to look saves time and avoids confusion. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful ElevenLabs guides and other software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.